welcome to, I guess my Bunnings vlog. Basically guys, we just bought a house, moved in a few days ago, and we need to do our own landscaping. Never done landscaping before in my life. Didn't even know that Bunnings was open until 9 o'clock at night, so there you go, amateur here. But yeah, let's grab some stuff. I need light globes for some globes. Light globes for some lights. Oh. Weed matting, all this fun stuff. So look, I'm not sure what this vlog's going to be about, but I'll do quite a few of these so you can see my landscaping. This is the yard before, and this is the yard after. So I just did that today, a bit of scraping away what we had when we moved in. I moved in 3 days ago. Yeah, let's get at it, let's get some stuff. Can't for the life of me find weed matting. I also can't find an employee. And this little quick trip here to Bunnings. Let's pick it up tomorrow morning and I'll keep going with my landscaping. Hope you enjoy this. Awesome. If you don't, well, I'm going to keep making them, so